Have you ever been working in an app like Intercom and needed to quickly log details from the current page, but didn't want to stop what you're doing and manually copy everything into a spreadsheet? That happens to me all the time. PixieBrix is a low-code browser extension that adds custom actions directly inside the tools you already use, like Intercom. Using the PixieBrix web clipper template, you can create your own Send to Google Sheets button right inside a conversation, fully customized to capture exactly the data you need. Here's why that's so helpful. Imagine you're tracking product bugs. Instead of copying the ticket link, pasting customer details, and filling out a spreadsheet by hand, you can highlight the issue, open the clipper, add your notes, and log everything to a Google Sheet automatically in seconds. Or say you want to keep a running list of customer feedback. With one click, you can capture quotes, feature requests, or common problems and send them straight into a shared spreadsheet that your marketing and product teams can review later. And the best part is, you decide exactly what gets captured and saved. You can include the conversation link, the page title, comments, screenshots, custom fields, anything else you want, all neatly organized in your Google Sheet. Setting this up is simple. Just add an Add Row to Google Sheets action in PixieBrix, map the columns you want to capture, and customize the format to your existing spreadsheet. After that, logging information from any tool becomes fast, consistent, and completely automatic. Ready to try it out? Sign up and explore our templates, or check out more videos to see how PixieBrix can help your team work smarter without constantly switching tabs.